Put a schedule for yourself. Just say, I want to spend 10 to 20 hours in i'tikaf. I'm going to spread it across the days of Ramadan. Your only intention is going to the mosque to spend that time there. Reading Quran, making dua. Just taste it. Just feel what it's like. It's one of the tools of Ramadan. You get as much as you sign up for. Sadaqah, zakatul fitr, purifies your wealth, expands your heart, causes compassion to grow for others, breaks greed, connects fasting to social justice. Your fasting is incomplete until you pay your fitrah. It's intrinsically connected. You can't enjoy your Eid unless you've made sure that others enjoy their Eid as well. Social justice. You can't be a Muslim and just carry on with your deen unless you have a concern that other people carry on with their deen as well. Social justice. It's a lesson contained in Ramadan. To conclude, as we can sit here now and measure previous Ramadans, like I said earlier, you remember how you were before the Ramadan, and you remember the transformation that Ramadan brought about, and how you feel on the morning of Eid.